So now I've had the unit running with our thermometer here, and we peaked at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for the max readout that we get. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Amazon Basics 500 watt ceramic space heater. I did purchase this product on my own, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here with the Amazon Basics logo and branding. This is available in a couple of different colors. We have the black version here. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual with all of our warnings. It's available in multiple languages, going over the same safety information. Be sure to reference that before use. Next, you can see we have the space heater itself right here. Check it out. So we have a nice grill on the front. Nice silver color and accent compared to the rest of the black body. You can see it from the top. Here it is from the left side. Amazon Basics logo and branding with more product information. Indoor use only. Reset instructions. If your heater shuts off, turn control to off, unplug and wait 30 minutes, plug in and operate normally. Here it is from the other side. Same information in multiple languages. Here it is from the back side. Amazon Basics logo and branding. There is no handle. Pay attention to that. You can see our air intake. And we have a toggle on and off power button right there. And then here it is from the bottom. You can see the 4 feet that we have, and we have our tip shut-off switch right there, which is great. So we do have some built-in safety with this heater. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in and try it out. So we have the unit plugged in and powered on. It's currently getting warm. So it takes less than 10 seconds, I'd say, till it starts to actually blow out some hot air. Now, just for fun, let's go ahead, let's tip it over. So there we go. As soon as it leaves the ground, it shuts off. But watch what happens when we put it back on its feet. It continues to resume. So if we tip it to the left, it's going to shut off. Back on its feet, it's going to start again. To the right, we could tip it over. Doesn't matter which way. If this gets knocked over, you can see it's going to stop working until it's put back upright. Now let's go ahead, let's see how loud it is. So with our decibel meter, you can see the max readout that we got was 62.1 decibels. Typically it's gonna be around that 50 decibel range. So this is a fairly quiet space heater. Obviously with any space heater, when you have a fan running, there is gonna be some noise, but this is not too loud or overbearing or anything like that. So now I've had the unit running with our thermometer here, and we peaked at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for the max readout that we get. Keep in mind, there's no high, low settings or anything like that. So this is just going to consistently and constantly throw out nice warm air up to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is just a very small and compact and basic space heater. You can't go wrong with the Amazon Basics brand in regards to quality. So count me impressed. Everything works as advertised. We've got a 500 watt space heater, nice long power cord, toggle button on the back to turn it on and off. And they even at this price point give us a nice built-in safety feature with that tip over protection. So count me impressed. If you're looking for a small, simple, no frills space heater, you definitely want to check this one out. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.